This dance is called Misty. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, intermediate level line dance. Starting on the right foot, walk forward, right, left. Make a quarter turn left as you step the right to the side. Step the left beside the right. Make a quarter turn right as you step that right forward. Step forward on the left. Pivot a quarter turn to the right. Cross shuffle, left over right. That set of steps once more then. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, turn, close, turn, step, pivot, cross, shuffle. Step the right to the side into an extended weave to the right. Crossing the left behind, right to side, cross right, left over right, step the right to the side, cross the left behind. Add on some heel jacks. So you're going to step your right foot back towards 7:30, touch the left heel forward towards 1:30. Bring the left back beside the right, cross the right over the left. Step the left back towards 10:30, right heel gets touched towards 4:30, bring the right back beside the left, you square yourself back up to 3 o'clock as you step a small step forward on that left. So that little set of steps once more then, side and weave off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, and heel, and cross, and heel, and step. Let's add that to the top. Walk, walk off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, turn, close, turn, step, pivot, cross, shuffle. Side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, and heel, and cross, and heel, and step. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, step back on that right. Cross the left behind the right, unwind, half a turn to the left. Cross rock, right over left, recover your weight on that left. Now we're going into a rolling vine to the right. Now if you don't wish to do this rolling vine, which is the equivalent of a full turn, just do a normal vine, side behind side. If you are doing the rolling vine, and this particular dance, it is choreographed as a quarter turn right as you step the right forward, quarter turn right as you step the left to the side, further half a turn right as you step that right to the side. So it's a quarter, quarter, half. Normally we do them as quarter, half, quarters, but quarter, quarter, half for this one. So that little set of steps once more then. Rocking forward on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, back, behind, unwind, cross, rock, turn, turn, turn. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, turn, close, turn, step, pivot, cross, shuffle. Side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, and heel, and cross, and heel, and step. Forward rock, back, behind, unwind, cross, rock, turn, turn, turn. Cross the left over the right, make a quarter turn left as you step back on that right. Go back on a back lock step, left foot leading, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, into a full turn over 2 steps travelling forward. Now if you don't wish to do this full turn, just walk forward, right, left. Otherwise it's half a turn left as you step back on the right, half a turn left, stepping forward on that left. Now I will demonstrate that full turn whilst we're actually doing the dance and the walkthrough. I'll be doing the non-turning walk-walk option when the music is on, but I'll still call out full turn so you know where it is in the dance. So that set of steps once more then. Cross turn into that back shuffle, back lock step. Off on the left. 7, 8, cross, turn, back lock, back, back, rock, full turn. End of dance. When we get to that point, let's put it all together. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, turn, close, turn, step, pivot, cross, shuffle. Side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, and heel and cross and heel and step. Forward rock, back, behind, unwind, cross, rock, turn, turn, turn. Cross, turn, back, lock, back, back, rock, full turn. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the cats. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, turn, close, turn, step, pivot, cross, shuffle. Side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, and heel and cross, and heel and step. Forward, rock, back, behind, unwind, cross, rock, turn, turn, turn. Cross, turn, back, lock, back, back, rock, full turn. Walk, walk, turn, close, turn, step, pivot, cross, shuffle. Side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, and heel and cross, and heel and step. Forward, rock, back, behind, unwind, cross, rock, turn, turn, turn. Cross, back, back, lock, back, back, rock, full turn. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to bed music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, turn, close, turn, step, pivot, cross, shuffle. Side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, and heel and cross, and heel and step. Forward or back, behind and wide, cross, rock, turn, 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 cross, turn, back, short, back, back, rock, full turn. Walk, walk, turn, close, turn, step, pivot, cross, shuffle. Side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, and heel and cross, and heel and step. Forward or back, behind and wide, cross, rock, turn, 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 cross, bang, back, rock, back, rock, full turn. Walks, lead, forward up, cross through, walks, lead, forward rock,
I'm Misty, too much in love.
cross turn,
You can say that you're leading me on, but it's just what I want you to do. Misty, too much in love. Too much in love. Too much in love.
Hope you managed that one.